Congratulations on moving to step 2, which is actually creating your research for your continent in Littlebirdtales. So you're done with all your research, and now I'm going to show you how to actually do your project on the internet. So let's start. We're going to go first to Internet Explorer. Once that loads, what I would like you to do, click into the address bar and hit the backspace button, and then type Littlebirdtales, all one word, .com, and hit enter. Now, one person at your table is going to sign in, and that person is going to type the first letter of their first name and their last name as the username. And for the password, again, first letter of their first name and their last name. In the students only, you are going to type MR capital JU and hit enter. And there you go. It says, hello, Petra, you are a student at East Rockaway Elementary Schools. And now you're going to be able to start creating your tale. And the first thing you're going to do is you are probably best to scroll down a little and click on My Galleries. This is where you're going to put the pictures that you want to use for your project. So click on Create Gallery and type in your gallery name. Type in the name of your continent. Mine is Antarctica. Now, to select images to import, you're going to click Select Images to Import. You're going to click on Computer on the left-hand side here, and then click here. See, it says ES Share. Click on ES Share. Then scroll down a little until you see Elementary Libraries. Click Second Grade and Birdtales Picture Folder. Now you're going to sit there and click on each one of these folders to upload the pictures that you found during your research. So for my animals, I have 3. The first one is going to be my orca. The next one is going to be my penguin. And the third one is my leopard seal. Okay. So that's all of my animals. Now I'm going to click this file thing that has a green arrow, click up one level, and then I'm going to move on to cities. And I'm going to look for the city that I put down from where I did my research. For me, it's just Antarctica because there really aren't any cities. If you have more than one city, then you're going to sit there and put in more than one city. I'm going to click this up one level button again and click on continents. And I'm going to click the name of my continent to get that picture. I'm going to click up one level again and go into my flags. The flags are where you are going to sit there and find the flags that go with your languages spoken on your continent. Because I have no languages spoken on my continent, mine is a blank flag. And last but not least, click up one level again, click on the Interesting Feature folder, and mine is an iceberg to go along with my picture or my information about my interesting fact. So, once I'm done, I'm going to click the Home button. And now we can get started. You scroll down, click on My Assignments. You're going to see your assignment right here. See, it says Antarctica, Mrs. Example's class, since this is my example. And then I'm going to click this button, Edit Assignment. Here's my cover. Right now, it just says Antarctica, Mrs. Example's class, Tale by Petra Schoen. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Galleries button, and I'm going to find the picture of my continent. And the picture comes up. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, just like on my page, the cover of my tale. So in this title, I'm going to type, this tale is about the continent of Antarctica. And it is by me. What you are going to put here is you're going to put all your names there. Once you've done that, click Save and Continue. Click No if that pops up. And you are going to do your page 1. Again, add your picture first from your gallery. You already got your pictures. And you're going to start putting in your animals. I'm going to start with my orca and type in, add text, just what it says on my page. An animal from our continent is the orca whale. And then I'm going to save it and move on to my next page. Now, because I have 3 animals, I am going to put my second animal in, which will be my penguin. I'm going to scroll down and add my text. Another animal from our continent is the penguin. Okay, save it. And then again, one more time, I have one last animal, and that's my leopard seal. And I'm going to type another animal from our continent is the leopard seal. Okay. Again, every time click Save and it brings up a new page. You are going to continue to do this with each one of your pictures. With your page 2, you're going to do your major city. For me, there is no major city, but I would add the picture of the city and type major city on our continent is, and for me it's none, but for you, you will have your cities. You move on to your next page. For me, it's page 3, a language spoken, which is no language. So I'm going to add my flag there. If you have more than one language, you add more than one page. And then you do the interesting feature at the end. Once this is all complete, then you are going to click on your cover page. And that is when you are going to record your voices. You're going to click the Allow button to let Adobe Flash record, and then you're going to click the green button and read what you have written down here. The cover page, everybody records their own voice, and then you have to decide which person in your group is going to record the other pages. Remember, please make sure that everybody has the same amount of pages. You do not want one person having less than everybody else. So good luck with this, and I look forward to seeing them.